Hey there, guys. How's it going? Welcome to the Pixelnuts Twitch channel. We're going to be doing some dev testing and streaming today of our new game, Rocket Rumble. And, whoops.
What happened?
I accidentally transitioned the scene away.
Oh, yeah, that's hilarious.
Yeah, so we're going to be doing some testing today of the levels and some of our new game mechanics and stuff like that. And, of course, testing the networking as always. And, yeah, I'll just hop into a race here. And while we're starting up here, everybody can just introduce themselves. So my name's Mark, and I'm a gameplay programmer at Pixelnuts. And I guess we didn't really have a question of the day today. So, let's see. What's your favorite Nintendo console? How about that? And if you've never played a Nintendo console, you can use something else, I guess. What's your favorite console in general?
Or you can just quit. Never see you again.
Just get out. Mine is definitely the Super Nintendo. And yeah, Ian, you can go next if you want.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ian. I'm the animator on the team. And my favorite console, Nintendo console, would be the Switch, because it's actually the first one I have for like any Nintendo product. But I definitely like PSP a lot. That's pretty much my childhood, and there's so many good games on it, and I just like grew up with it. The best thing is I can take them to school and play with my friends. But it's really fun.
Yeah,
Yep.
the PSP's awesome.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever played.
Back in the days,
PSP.
I had a boarding school, so I can't really. I don't have time to stay at home and play games. So anything that can take away, it's great.
I've got two PSPs.
Of course you do.
Of course.
One
That's it?
cracked, one is like original.
And yeah, Ben, you can go next if you want.
Yeah, I'm Ben. I'm the one of the programmers here at Pixelnuts.
The programmer.
My probably my favorite Nintendo console is probably the Nintendo Genesis. No, seriously, my favorite console would probably be the Game Boy Color. I got a lot of like good memories of my Game Boy Color. And it sucked with no backlight, but like it was like
Color.
Yeah,
Yeah, the Game Boy Color is pretty sweet.
I never had an original Game Boy, so I can't really speak to that. But Game Boy Color, a lot of Pokemon, Kirby, Zelda, Link's Awakening, that sort of thing.
Link's Awakening DX.
DX, yeah.
Ben, I can't get items.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh.
The track looks amazing, though.
Yeah.
That beginning part that was like barren before looks really good now.
Yeah, I don't know if Alex is going to leave the transparency. I assume not. I think it's going to look better.
I
with
kind of
that.
like it, the transparency. You can kind of see what's underneath. The new bots, great.
Are you able to get items now? I see some of you
No.
getting.
I don't think I've died yet.
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, that's weird.
I died and I think I got an item, but I still couldn't use it, and now I can't get items again.
I can
strange.
get items.
Oh, that camera part's still messed up.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm Vince. I'm
Yeah.
an artist. My favorite Nintendo console, I don't know, probably the N64. I feel like I have a lot of memories from. But the Switch is probably the best. I just don't really play it that often, but I would
Yeah,
like to.
it's really good hardware-wise, for sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if it's just me.
I think my speed is.
Oh yeah, the speed bug's still in there.
I saw
haven't-
something weird that happened just now. I respawned on top of red, and I'm green.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're in the same
Whoa.
spot.
We're respawning in the same location for some reason.
There might be something going on with the ordering of the players. That might be why the items aren't working either.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
interesting.
everybody's stuck
Wow.
on top of each other. Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's so weird. It's so weird when something like that happens because I haven't seen a bug with any of the. Oh my god, there's only
Whoa.
one player on the finish
One
screen
player
too.
get kicked.
Oh, I have two.
Oh, do you? I
Oh, you only
got
have one on your stream now.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
I would imagine.
Oh,
I would imagine it's
I
probably.
can't skip it.
I can't skip it either.
Yeah, me neither.
What happened? How could this have happened?
Oh no! Let the timer run out. What happens?
Yeah, I'm gonna let it go.
Okay. Yeah, I'll let it.
That's so weird.
It is weird.
I can always revert to an earlier build and we can play that. But
Well, we might as well try this one a few more times.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got kicked to the menu, so whatever.
Yeah, kick
I mean,
me
the
too.
timer works.
Ooh, I got somebody's cool customizations on my guy now. He's got like the shutter shades and the piranha plant on his head.
Well, the stream's lagging a bit.
yeah,
It just kind of froze.
I'm also only in a game with two people, like one other person.
Oh, I was in a queue. I kicked me from the queue.
Oh, weird.
Now it says 4 of 4, but I don't know if that's true.
I'm in it. I'm the character select.
I am
There's
too.
four
But
people here.
there's only two. Interesting.
Alright, I'll back up.
I don't know what happened. So strange.
Yeah.
Crazy stuff's happening.
Oh, okay. So the camera got locked when I went back.
All right, I'm going to restart the game, and I'm also going to just check something here in the stream quick and see. Seems to be fine now. It was like lagging. My computer was like lagging like crazy for some reason. I have no idea why.
Maybe it was the game.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
I guess that's possible. Yeah, I don't have anything else open, so I don't see... I'm just going to try restarting it and see what happens.
I have so many Chrome tabs open right now. I don't know if you guys noticed that they added something called you can group your tabs now,
Oh,
Chrome?
really?
and it's amazing. It's such a great idea because you can like collapse them all down into one little icon basically, and then click that to open them back up. But I've had like probably 20 tabs open for like 2 weeks just in groups that I just forgot about.
How do you put them together? Like drag?
You can like shift select tabs and then right click and add them to a group.
Shift select.
The game is running better for me now,
To group. Oh yeah, I see.
so hopefully should be okay now, I think. I just like closed the Chrome, but I don't know why that would be causing it, but it seems to be running okay
Chrome
this
is
time.
a beast, though.
It is a beast, yeah.
Yeah. From like to eat RAM for sure.
Well, especially, I don't understand why. I thought Chrome was supposed to be this like super lightweight browser, but it just isn't anymore. I don't know why, really.
Yeah, it's definitely not lightweight. I can't get items, Ben.
That's a feature.
A feature. Are you guys all in a game right now?
I'm in a game with
No,
Vin.
I'm
Yeah, me
restarting.
and Ben are.
I just
Oh, you're
restarted.
restarting it? Okay.
I just wanted to see if I could replicate any of those bugs.
You can't use your item either, right? Like you got it.
I got it and I was able to use it. Yeah.
You did use it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I saw it.
I'm kind of curious. If you die, do you?
I definitely don't see your items being used.
Oh, really? Interesting. I noticed we have some of the new animations in as well when we get items.
Yeah.
There should probably be a bit of a delay on them because it'll show what item you get before the roulette is up as well.
Hmm.
And
Yeah,
I
that's
have 2
good call.
items.
Yeah, I can't get items and I died.
Yeah. Oh well.
Strange.
What do you mean it'll show the item before the roulette comes up?
Like
Only
there's
before it
an
finishes.
animation. There's an animation for like depending on what item you get, it shows the player holding that item, but it'll show
Oh.
that item before the roulette shows the item.
Yeah,
I
I fell
see.
off the track.
Yeah.
And you didn't respawn.
For me
Oh,
right
yeah.
now, the game is lagging, but it wasn't until a second player was added.
Mhm.
I feel like maybe that's to do with the reordering stuff that's going on.
Yeah,
Oh, this is funny. I've got an item, and that item just jumps to the other player's hand.
yeah. Then it's definitely a reordering issue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because,
Also,
yeah.
Ian's like
Oh,
really
right.
fast as well for some reason.
And you're on
yeah.
Asteroid Field.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're on
we're on
Asteroid Field, and it's still
There's no
messing
speed
up.
volumes on Asteroid Field. That's really weird.
Okay, the speed seems to be fixed now. It was like at the beginning of the race that it was messed up. Maybe it's not fixed. I can't tell. Might be because of the lag though, because it is lagging
Yeah.
like really hard for me.
Yeah, the lag will affect your speed. Still working out a solution for that. But
Are your guys' games also chugging, or is it just mine?
No.
mine's chugging a bit.
Oh yeah. Ran okay for me.
I'm running smooth. Yeah, but I do notice the speed thing. My speed is just faster than you. No reason.
Yeah.
Even I'm like standing behind you, and I can just catch up very easily.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some kind of issue with that. It's probably because of how much I'm lagging that it seems that way.
Yeah.
I would imagine that's probably the issue.
And I can't skip that end screen again too.
It's weird. I don't understand why. It seemed like as soon as we connected, the lag started. Like it was running smooth, and then as soon as the second player appeared in the queue, it started chugging for me.
It's probably throwing errors in the background. on
Yeah, I
something
suppose.
probably- That would likely be the case because of the reordering too. It's probably not.
So, you guys want to like go back to a previous build and play, or do you just want to keep playing this?
I think so. I think a lot of the bugs we're going to find in this are going to be not too important. Like obviously they're important, but like
Yeah, there seems to be some kind of
Right.
major issue.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, as soon as Ian left my game, it's like running at 60 FPS all of a sudden. Really weird.
When you guys crossed the finish line, it was white too. It wasn't like whoever won.
Oh really?
again, that's probably because of the reordering.
Yeah.
It's not updating the indexes correctly. It thinks everybody's player one. Because 0 is the first, not like
Wait.
first value of an index.
What about a local game? You want me to try a local game or something like that?
Yeah, give it a shot. Give it a
Okay.
shot. I'll,
Just let
I'll watch
me-
on stream. See what's going on.
Okay, I'm just resetting the game, and then I'll invite everybody. It's weird. I've never seen it chug so hard before. It's got to be a bunch of errors or something. Oh wait, do I have you on my friends list, Ian? I don't know if I do.
I think. No, I was restarting the game. Yes, sir.
What's
'Cause
your
I
name?
quit the.
Mr. Blackteeth or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I don't think I have you yet.
I feel like you do. I feel like we've done this before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
Maybe he's not logged in to the friend list or whatever. Not online.
I should be. Let me double check. Oh yeah, you're right. It's not logged in the friend here.
Oh, is that why? Oh, that's right, because I did add you by your friend code, I think, right?
Yeah, so it says my friend's work unreachable. Oh, there.
Oh,
Okay,
weird.
alright. I'm good.
Sometimes that happens if Steam's in offline mode or it
Okay,
disconnects.
I see you
reconnect.
now.
Yeah.
Might have to reopen the party menu.
No, you can just refresh. I think it's X.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see that. I didn't realize you added that. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the game's not lagging yet. Oh, now it is, though. Can you roll it back while we're playing?
I'm doing that right now.
Yeah, okay, sweet. Oh, also, hi, Nita. With the looky eyes. Thanks for stopping by. We're just having some, like, major issues at the moment.
It's bug testing day, and there are definitely lots of bugs.
Yeah.
I think the last build might be buggy too. Yeah, I did upload some builds for myself during the week, but we can try it too.
No, it's
But
fine.
if that one's buggy, they can roll it back.
Oh, it's not lagging so bad now. It's okay.
Maybe it's
Yeah,
just
I
quick
think-
play.
No,
All the items just goes to the hosts.
Could
Yeah, I'm
be.
the only one that can get items, maybe.
Yeah, whatever we get, it's like player one gets it.
I just can't get anything.
I
I'm
can't
still
even
in
play
first,
the
though.
animation for getting stuff, but it's not in my pocket.
It's not in your pocket.
No.
I used to love the Monkey Island games when I was a kid, and it was always so funny because it's one of those click adventures where you pick up items, and the joke was that he would just, like, throw everything down his pants, and you pick up stuff like cannonballs and just, like, huge, enormous things that would never fit in your pockets, never mind in your pants. I don't know. This is funny. But they made a joke out of it, you know, like... I just have unlimited items, pretty much. Every time somebody picks up an item. Oh my god. This chomper looks so good.
Yeah, I guess we can. I don't know if we talked about the new camera angle. I don't know if that was in the last time we played on stream.
Yeah, I really like it.
I don't know either. Alex has definitely talked about it on his streams.
Yeah.
Yeah, on his dev stream, yeah.
I like it. It makes the tracks more cinematic. It's really good.
Yeah. But I do notice for the last part, though. The last part of the level is kind of tilted too. I'm not sure about that.
Yeah,
it's,
I think
it's
he's
really
gonna-
hard to see like obstacles, like which way it's coming from. It's like,
Yeah.
where am I control? Yeah, this part, it's kind of weird when it's like tilted too much. But it's definitely fine for the lava part because there's not many stuff there.
Wait, that's
And
weird.
this-
Oh, I must not be the host, because I don't have the ramps on my screen, but I'm also the one that's getting all the items. Maybe that's because I'm the first player getting all the
Yeah,
items.
that's why. It's because you're first player. Also, yeah, never mind. I was gonna say the corgi has a blue trail, but that's good. That's okay. He's player 2, so.
Yeah, all the colors and stuff for the players are right, but we do spawn all in the same spot. It's really
Yeah.
strange.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something messed up.
I didn't get a good. I didn't really get a chance to stress test the build before we uploaded it. So
Yeah, you didn't
You know,
drop in
you-
at a bad time either, Nita, just at a buggy time. But that's what the playtests are all about, so...
so if you guys exit the game, I did. Or I should have at least. Let's see. Yeah, I did roll back to the last build.
Okay. So,
So
do we have to, like, get it as an update, or...
yeah, you just uninstall it and reinstall it, or just wait for the update.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
It's kind of funny, like, the game's almost 2 gigs, and it installs in, like, a minute on my computer. It's crazy.
I think
I think
Steam might have like a way to determine what's changed and what hasn't, and then just change that.
When it's downloading, it just says it's 514 megabytes.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe the full install is like 2 gigabytes, but the actual download isn't that much or something.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh yeah, I
'Cause
see
I
that
know
now. It says
on the
515.
Steam,
Yeah.
on the Steam dashboard, when I upload it, it'll tell me what is different from the last build. And like, if I accidentally upload like the same build, it'll tell me there's nothing different in this build than the last one, which is cool.
That's pretty crazy.
That is cool.
Yeah.
Like searches everything, see what's different.
Yeah.
I mean, how can it even tell that? What if you changed? I guess
Any file in the build is different.
Yeah, I
the
guess.
data folder or whatever. It's
Would there ever
crazy.
be a,
Look through that though.
yeah? Would there ever be a possibility for it to be the same if you just changed like a small thing?
I don't know.
It's not direct project files, I guess. So it's not like, oh, I
Yeah,
didn't
it's-
add a new script, but I added to a script, but it's different because
The
all right.
metadata or the
Yeah, all that stuff.
yeah. At the end of the day, it's all zeros and ones, and if one is a zero, then it's different.
can we do
Sometimes
like
it-
that was the one thing I was wondering. So like we can have multiple versions, right? Tied to a single, like we don't actually, we have the playtest version, but you could go into the updates tab, or maybe it's not the updates tab. There's some tab where you can like select what version of the game you want to install. Like for Project Zomboid, they have like 5 or 6 different versions of the game available on Steam, and if you go into the properties tab, you can select which one you want to play, and it'll.
yeah, there's probably a way to set that up. I know
Yeah,
you can
there's
have
got to be.
branches on Steam. I haven't messed around with that. I just use the default branch for everything, but that might be what. a lot of
Yeah.
people do.
Probably. Different
All right,
branches.
I'm in the game.
I'm just loading up. Yeah.
Say,
I'm looking for a group. Are you looking for a group, Mark?
Yeah, I'm in 3 of 4 right now.
Okay, yep. Okay, cool.
Oh,
All right,
word.
yep. Awesome.
Oh, 4 players. Nice.
Hopefully this build is a little more stable.
I feel like it's lagging for me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
And
it's
it wasn't
laggy
lagging
for me.
before.
laggy for me too.
oh,
Oh,
Oh no.
I'll revert to an earlier one too. I did upload a build this week to do some testing, so that was probably that build.
what were you testing? How to crash the game?
Yeah. I don't remember exactly what I was testing, but I needed to test something in a build.
How to crash the game.
Yeah, so you succeeded.
Hey, it worked.
You've
How to
done
get
it.
the assigning and connecting to host bug
back
when you
again.
have 4 players. I'm searching for a game too, by the way.
Yeah, I need to restart it.
Three of 4. Even the timer is counting slowly.
Oh,
Let me check the error logs. I'll see what's going on.
It's so weird. I just did a customization, and the first player just got it, and I don't have it now. So what?
Yeah,
Oh, that's weird. I
Yeah.
actually put those same customizations on the dog though too, so
Oh,
it
really?
might be a coincidence.
Oh, maybe.
But
But mine didn't save. I thought that goes to yours.
yeah, that's weird. Like I put the helmet and the meme shades on him right
Well,
before
we got
I.
the same pick, I guess.
But, I mean, it's definitely messed up. Yeah, we're gonna be fixing that this weekend, hopefully. I think, right, Ben? Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna take a look at it today. I'm pretty sure it's a networking issue.
Oh, the level is not laggy, just the menu.
Nope. Yeah, so far.
That's good.
The intro, anyway.
It's weird that we didn't all start at the same starting position, but we did all respawn at the same position.
Yeah, that's true.
That is true. Yeah.
A little
I
weird.
can use items. Okay,
Yeah.
I guess this is a different
Yeah,
build,
this
right?
version is.
Yeah, this one's running good. Once you're in the game.
Yeah, cat is still body head detached.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
right.
yeah. I forgot about that.
Yeah, I mean because that's a pig animation or something, so that's the reason.
Yeah, I'm looking at the air logs now. It was definitely
Oh,
a player IDE issue. Because there was... Oh, not too many. There was only 120 errors.
nice.
Oh, so it wasn't an issue of errors going over and over again then, right?
Well, there was a bunch of other errors too, but that one connected to the ID.
Oh, I see that one specifically.
Yeah, it also might need a few more minutes to update. But we had the 33K on a power up there. So. But it seems like this build's a little more stable.
Yeah, it's running good in game.
Did you guys reset the game? Did you download the? Because I changed the build back like another one too. Did you guys get that new one or?
No, I don't
Not
think
sure.
so.
I just uninstalled it and installed
Alright.
it.
I will jump back to that one then. Because I downloaded the newest one, but I won't be able to play with you guys if I don't have.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Just, don't update your games then, I guess. Or are you gonna upload this one that we're playing to Steam again? Is that what you're saying?
I made that one the current one. Yeah, I'm just getting it now. I can jump in with you guys in a minute.
I can hear characters dying still in the exit screen. I have no idea why. It seems like the first player is usually able to retain their customizations, but sometimes they get overwritten. I don't know. It's so weird.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is
But
weird.
the whole system is working at least. Like, I could see all my customizations in game and everything, so I think it's just a matter of getting the
Getting the
player-
right value.
getting the right customization things put into the correct players, yeah. Because there's a couple different spots where they get loaded in. Like the character renderers on the character select screen have them loaded in, and then the players get them loaded in after that.
Well, I'm in a game with somebody.
Ian.
Yeah, you
That's
and
me,
Ian.
I think.
Also, unfortunately, we can't test it, but hopefully we'll be able to test it on Monday. I added a new mechanic to the check that I want to test, but I think it's going to be pretty fun. So, like, if two people body check each other at the same time and both hit each other, then they have like a check fumble. So it's like a different animation, and
That's cool.
they get like stalled for a second. So it's like, I mean, we'll have to test it to see how it plays out, but
Yeah.
then you won't just check all the time, because there's a bit of a risk reward to it if you do it. If you both check each other at the same time, you know.
Oh, I'm lagging a lot, but
Oh, are
I'm
you?
running behind.
yeah. It might just be my internet. It's been pretty bad today.
Yeah, mine seems fine. Like the lag doesn't seem bad on mine.
No.
Oh. The celebration animation on the cat looks hilarious. When
It's so scary.
just deformed.
I think we should keep it.
Oh
I
yeah,
kind of like it.
but don't put it in the trailer.
No, it should be the Halloween trailer.
We'd have to change our rating. No longer E for everyone.
So what do you think you're going to do for the ramps, Ben?
Oh, for the new script for it?
Yeah.
I don't know, I've been thinking about it. I think it might be... I don't know, I have to see like why it's doing what it's doing right now. Like when it doesn't jump you sometimes, I have to figure out why it's doing that, I think, and then figure out a solution for it. I might like do a mix between like the boost and then just give it like a more of an upward momentum.
Yeah, that's
as well
fair.
as a forward momentum.
Are you guys done your game?
We're just
close,
finishing
right?
it. Yeah.
Okay. Should wait and see if we can get a 4-player game.
Yeah.
And now my menu's not lagging. I guess that's because there's only me, not more than one player connected or whatever.
Yeah. We'll see in the character select.
All right, I'm in the game.
Okay.
I've started mine already.
Yeah, three of 4.
Oh. I think we got him.
Yeah, we got it. 4 players. The new, I gotta look at the other new customization items, but I put the goggles on the Corgi. They look really good.
Oh,
Yeah, I haven't checked everything in yet, but they're pretty sweet, yeah.
I like them, yeah.
I was just making the icons for everything today.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And then Ian sent me like 4 more items to add.
Yeah, I know. I was like this week pretty much.
That's awesome.
Gonna take a while. Well, let me know if anything needs to change. So I'm not sure. Some of it probably like it's not fit.
Yeah, I think so far everything's been fine. Like I can kind of scale things around a little bit in
Okay.
Unity.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been okay. I was trying to make the lobster. I tried to add like a hinge to it so that like when the
Yeah.
characters move their head, it swings around. But I couldn't get it to work for some reason.
Huh. Is
So
it because it has animation and stuff, or it shouldn't though?
I don't think so. But maybe I can just add like a separate game object or something. I'll try. I'll keep trying, but
Yeah.
You're gonna try
I'm
to
not too worried about it for now, really.
Yeah.
But
you were gonna do
I
like
thought it would just be like a simple thing.
like if they
But that
move their
should be
head, it's
something to do
physics
with
or whatever.
physics, so.
Yeah. I want it to like swing around because they're just like hanging off their nose.
Does it need like a rigid body on it, maybe, or?
Yeah, I tried. I
that?
like when you add the spring or hinge joints, it just
Right,
it puts the
It
rigid body on there
requires
for
it,
you.
Yeah.
But then it would just like drop off their face. So I turned gravity off, and then it just wasn't doing anything. So I don't know.
Oh, that's weird.
Wow,
Yeah.
I'm outrun like Rocket Rock.
Yeah, Rocket Roy slows down up the ramp.
Yeah. I
mean-
was working on that in the newer build, but
Blue it has the speed boost too.
I know.
Oh, really?
I had
Or-
the speed and Rocket Roy just can't.
Oh,
catch
yeah,
up.
that's true.
could be a combination of the speed boost or it could be lag. I'm lagging a lot, so I'm really slow.
I feel like I can only reset my speed when I die. So every time when I break and I come back and I just press gas again, I'm still very fast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
your default speed's been changed.
Yeah, the only way to reset it is to die 100%.
Yeah.
Mhm.
That's amazing. Everybody just get that like.
Oh my god. Frickin' magma walls.
Oh no.
So are we getting off the? Are we getting rid of the shield? I think.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get rid of the shield for the beta.
Yeah, we can think about
this
like
is-
adding it back in after.
We're gonna do a lot of changes to it, and I don't want to do too many big changes, and then not have it significant time to test it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I feel like, you know, it just needs to be simplified a lot, but it's not really necessary at the moment. We can add it back in later.
Yeah.
Like somebody was saying, it either needs to be like you just press it and it lasts for a few seconds, or it could be more like the Mario Kart one where you press it and it's, you know, how the shells like appear around you and then they just tank a hit whenever it eventually happens. Could be one or the other, something like that.
I think it's just got to be shorter, and like you put it on and it's on for half a second, like pretty
Yeah.
quick. And as soon as you get hit by something, it just disappears.
Yeah.
Just like
Yeah.
one item.
So I think the main point is not affecting you getting the next item.
Yes.
Yeah, you keep like
Yeah.
holding it. It's just too long right now because you're just trying to waste it when you get it right now. So it's
Yeah,
not fun.
If it was a single hit thing too, then like as soon as you turned it on, you could grab the next item, whether it was still
Blue is
on or
already
not.
so fast.
It's always blue.
I guess
I don't
it's
know
just
why.
Ian. Still
just
has the
always
speed
Ian.
boost or something.
I'm blue. Yeah.
It could just be lag, because we hadn't entered the speed volume.
Yeah, we had.
Could it be from last race though? I know. That's what I'm saying. That's why it's weird.
No, it shouldn't be because the players get.
That shouldn't be. Yeah, it should be reset.
Yeah.
But remember, well, this was in the other build, but when Ian and I were playing Asteroid Field, he was still faster than me. So maybe it is something
Yeah.
else.
Yeah,
I'll look into implementing because I do have plans to implement a system to account for lag on the speed.
Now red is fast.
Yellow.
Yellow
Oh,
is
that's
so
yellow,
fast.
Yeah, I
So
my
fast.
game suddenly got a better frame rate too.
Weird.
Yeah, this game knows who's winning it, who's giving all the advantage to it.
I've gotten Rocket Roy twice and I still can't keep up.
Balance.
My God, Yellow is so fast. What the hell's going on? Like you got like 2 times speed over here.
Call the cops. They can't catch me.
Everybody else is just like bouncing off the screen and off of metal
Yeah.
objects and stuff.
It
Hilarious.
does feel a little fast. I will say that.
A little fast.
a little fast. Yeah.
As soon as we spawn, we're bouncing off the bottom of the screen.
Oh, I also added more physics to the projectiles. I don't know if you guys know this. So they will
You
if they
can't
if
kill
they
yellow. The yellow just took a bomb. It's not that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, Yellow should be.
Yeah, I
dead.
noticed sometimes like when you hit by Alan, it's sometimes like it's not really responding,
Yeah, you're right.
or
Yeah,
maybe
no
just
help
not
for a while.
obvious.
It's
Yeah.
because none of the effects are in the game and stuff, I think, mostly.
In this
No, I
one,
think
yeah.
it's not about effect. It's like it's just the speed, or maybe it's not really stopping them a bit. For example, when I'm throwing stuff, I'm hitting a missile, the guy in front of me, but I can't really pass them because of that. So what is the point to hit them with the item, right?
The collision might not be
Well, it takes their
working
health away, too.
helpful. Yeah.
Yeah, it
But,
takes away like a hit point, and it should slow them down.
Yeah,
It
it should
does.
slow them down a bit, just to kind of.
It's supposed to. Like
Feeling.
It's
that's
supposed to. Yeah.
that's already in, but maybe just wasn't working for yellow. Was invincible or
Yeah.
something.
Well, yeah. Yellow is something going on with my speed and everything. So
Here, let's play Asteroid Field this time. And see
Alright.
what happens. We can test that stuff.
I am now green. So if yellow's still fast, it might be a player thing, but I doubt it. Mark, you're yellow now, so
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I am. Yeah, you're right. The shells do only slow them down for like a split second, but it should be a noticeable amount if it's working
It's
properly.
yeah. I think it's good. They just kind of like bounce up in the air and then recover.
Mhm.
it could have just been, yeah, the speed bug making it not noticeable or something, or
Oh, it's lagging for some reason.
Yeah,
Yeah, a little bit.
it's lagging for me too.
Or even the intro is lagging.
yeah,
Mhm.
me too.
Ass Field. Oh yeah. Woo! It's lagging so
Oh,
bad.
it's like, I'm so lagging, I can't even see myself.
Yeah, what's going on?
Where?
Oh my god.
I mean, I feel I can do pretty good at this board already because it's lagging. It's like a slow mo. You know, in a lot of games, like every time when it comes to like slow mo, you can do a little bit better.
The rocket trails are so long on my screen. They're like stretching the entire length of half of the screen. Wow. What is happening?
Oh, it's probably, yeah. And wait till you get to the asteroids.
So it's definitely got to be an issue with like the last couple builds that were uploaded that's causing the
Mhm.
lag. And it doesn't seem to be the player numbering thing that's causing it because this is crazy.
Yeah, no, I don't think that's the issue. I think that was the issue
This is
with
good.
the last build, the latest build, but
What could be causing it to lag so hard?
all it needs is one air running every frame, or a couple times a frame, and that'll do it.
Yeah, you think it's like the animation stuff? It can't be. I guess it started before we even started racing.
Well, there is a lot of errors with the animation system. Like, I don't know what's
Yeah.
going on with it, but when I'm playing it in the editor, there's tons of like no animation present errors logging all the time.
Yeah.
But it doesn't actually seem like anything's broken. I think maybe that should just be commented out for now because it's definitely running that error a lot.
Is it because they have the function but they don't have the actual animation hooked up?
I'm not sure. Every time you accelerate and decelerate, it runs that error. So like,
That might be it. And that's custom air we implemented, I think. So
yes, yeah, it's
Wow.
we can easily remove
I
that.
can't
Did
believe
Liam-
we finished it.
yeah, I can't believe that either. It's
Oh
insane.
my god, that's crazy.
Did Liam put that error in, or did you go back through and put that in? That error.
It wasn't me, but
Okay. I just wasn't sure if you had looked at the animation stuff at all yet for the over photon stuff.
the animation stuff shouldn't matter over photon much. Maybe for the barrel roll, just because it's so quick, but
Well, some of the stuff like wasn't working, like when you barrel roll, and I think a few of the item reaction animations were only working locally and stuff like that.
yes,
Yeah.
I worked with Daniel on that. So the thing was, sometimes the collisions weren't happening locally; they were happening over the network and sending before the collision, like the item collision happened.
Oh, okay.
So the call to the animation was in the collision function. So we just moved it further down to like the kill or the damage function, and it works now. Or it did for the cheer animation, I think.
Oh, for that animation? Okay. Because I was going to say,
Yeah.
like, the reaction animations are all in the player health system script now. They're all, like, taken out of the other spots.
Yeah, I'll go through them all and look at that.
Yeah. I don't know. Obviously, it's pretty hard to test. Oh, shit, we should have played the other level.
Yeah, you guys had this one selected, so I just also selected it.
Oh,
Sorry.
well.
I wasn't thinking.
But yeah, as far as syncing the animations, like for like the player stuff, I don't think it's too important. But like the calling of the animations is probably the most important thing for networking.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Just to make sure it's called correctly.
Yeah, because I
on both
remember the
sides.
other day we were, like, testing around, and you couldn't see the other people checking on over the network and stuff. You could only see it when you did it yourself.
Yeah.
You guys want to leave this one?
Sure.
It's, like, too laggy.
Well, this is actually fine for me.
Okay, I'm gonna play
So-
Processing Plant this time instead.
Alright,
But yeah, that's
this
the
will be
only
my last one.
that's the only error I can think of in the editor that I see, like, too much, is the no animation
Yeah.
present error. It just keeps, like, when I was trying to figure out stuff earlier, it just kept coming up. My queue disappeared.
Yeah, there's 2 people on the character select screen without.
It says I'm
Selector.
searching. Oh, I'm in. But there's only 3.
Yeah, I was in the character select, but there's only 2 of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the character select as well now, but
Oh, everyone's in here now. Like, and we can.
Do we
go-
need to back out?
No.
I backed out.
I think that there's. We'll see.
Definitely something strange happening.
I think that I've been duplicated, but I'm not going to be. I'm not sure until the race happens if that's true or not.
Mark 2.0.
Yeah.
I've been
I think what happened-
duplicated.
I think it should be fine once we get in a race. But in the character select screen, I was player 2, Ben was player 1.
Well,
And-
wait, look. Someone
And
already
then-
got an item already. What is that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that-
so
that-
the item boxes need to have a check to make sure that the race phase is in racephase.start and make sure that they can't be hit.
But
Unless-
how come there's a box by the spawn?
No, it's not. The problem is that the players get moved because when the track loads in, the start position object moves to the beginning of the track, so all the players move, and it could be in any direction really. It just depends on how the track's designed. So the players are moving very fast. So basically, the item boxes need a check to make sure that the race is happening, and if it's not, then players can't collide with them or whatever, you know?
That should be easy to fit in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vince is the one that figured that out. It's definitely
Yeah, I'm
what's
a
happening.
genius.
That is pretty. I didn't think of it. That's pretty good.
But he's totally right because like
Yeah.
the players.
Yeah, the
you know,
player's just being dragged through the course.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That's probably an easy fix.
That used to happen with the player deaths too at one point. Like the players would all get killed at the start of the race because there wasn't a check to make sure that the race was actually on, and it was like killing them because they were off screen or something.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely the issue.
Also, I noticed the bomb is mostly useful when you're like throwing it backwards. It's too slow when you throw it forward.
Yeah.
It's like
It needs some. It needs fake gravity so that it falls a lot faster and stuff. I think.
yeah.
Which thing?
So it has
The
a
bomb.
chance to someone like sit on it. Land.
Yeah, I think the bomb needs some fake gravity to pull it down faster, so that when you throw it, it just goes faster, basically.
Yeah.
Probably also needs a higher force when it's initially thrown, because
Yeah, probably.
you can use it, but Ian's right. Like it's kind of hard to throw it forward and actually hit somebody.
Yeah, you pretty much can catch up by yourself if you just throw it.
Yeah,
that's
when
true.
when you throw it by the
I
time
guess you're
you're-
aiming for people in front of you, so
Yeah.
So
There's
more,
not much a point to throw forward. Yeah, I only probably do it like.
so more
sort of
forward
back.
direction and more gravity. So it'll be
Yeah.
more of a wider throw.
Yeah.
As in the arc is wider. Okay.
Yeah.
that's
Alright.
what I would say. It's just got to be
Yeah.
faster in
Yeah.
general.
That should
I-
that yeah.
I do like the height that it gets, and maybe I don't know if like giving it more forward momentum would make it bounce further too. Like maybe you have to limit the amount of bounces so it just kind of sticks to the track or something. I don't know.
Yeah. It just feels like it feels floaty compared to like the characters you use a fake gravity that's like, you know, if you dropped a character and a bomb at the same time, the character would fall probably twice as fast as the bomb, I think.
All right, I gonna go.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Can you leave your camera on, or is that not a possibility?
That's a pretty crazy thing to suggest.
You don't have to.
I don't think I can leave my camera on.
Okay, never mind.
I mean, I can put something. I can put a tape on.
You didn't set up like a 3-person scene?
No, I don't have a 3-person one, but that's okay. I'll just fix it when after this race.
Okay. All right. See you.
See you later.
See you
See you
Thanks.
later.
See you later.
Ian. Oh, Rocket Roy
Rocket
right at
Roy.
the beginning.
Right off the bat.
Ouch. Yeah, the stall on the projectiles definitely feels like it's working, but
Oh, I see what you mean before the shockwave isn't.
yeah, it's like
the effect
sideways.
is like world space.
It's probably it's I probably have to set it to based on the spine. Well, I definitely have to set it to based on the spine.
Yeah, because is it a visual effect, or what exactly did you do?
It's a line renderer.
Yeah, that's what I thought, yeah.
Yeah, and then each point on the line is determined. I think I have it like right. Or what I do is I have it determine the outer point, and then I just have it like lerp between the center point and the outer point, so it's not actually ray casting every frame.
Mhm.
Oh, Rocket Roy.
But I can change that to account for the track. Or I think when I made it, I think we just had Asteroid Field,
Yeah.
which doesn't have a lot
Yeah,
of.
Asteroid Field doesn't have enough curving and stuff for testing,
Yeah.
really. Yeah, we should have a test track that just has, like, a flat surface, a corkscrew, a loop-de-loop, just so we can, like, test everything on it, you know?
That's a good idea.
Just all in a row or something like that, so you can test
Yeah.
everything. I mean, the characters I know work because I did test them on a loop-de-loop, because my old track had a loop-de-loop, the one that I will work on again eventually, so... But
Mhm.
I don't know about the other stuff, like the items and stuff. I'm not sure exactly.
I don't think items are hurting me. But if I like felt
they're
the
not.
edge of the screen, I'm pretty sure that does damage.
Yeah, I shot a projectile at you.
There's
Yeah.
something that happens in this level, and I don't know what it is, that like makes it so you can't die anymore. I don't know what the heck is causing it. Yeah, just give me a second to fix the stream here.
Oh yeah, no worries. Should just rename Vince's box to Vince's shoulder.
Vince's shoulder. Half Vince.
Right half, left half.
Yeah.
Alex said that he fixed the camera stuff, I guess, in that level. So that'll be in next week.
Oh, that's good. I'm only half convinced.
Wow.
That's good. That's good. I approve.
Okay, I'm gonna queue for quick play again. You guys are ready?
All right, Luke. Let's test out Asteroid Field and see if we can get Vince to be invincible again. Invincible.
Invincible. Yeah, but
Oh my
Asteroid
God.
Field is laggy as hell, but we can
Oh,
still
yeah,
try it.
Yeah.
But we did
That's true.
test it, and we tested it the last couple times, and I couldn't get anything like that to happen on Asteroid Field, so I don't know. It seemed to be a bug related to falling off the edge in so it might be a problem in my code. I guess I should look at the kill volume stuff. Maybe it has something to do with that. I'm not really sure.
Well, I had that bug with my out of bounds system that I
True.
fixed for the latest one, and it's not fixed in this build. So
These
like when
puns
you-
are out of this world. Yeah, it's laggy. My goodness. I don't
not too
understand.
bad for me.
Asteroid Field is like the level that never has anything wrong with it. Why is it lagging all of a sudden?
I don't know.
I think I'm faster than...
Yeah, you
Maybe
definitely are.
How's your frame rate, Vince?
Or maybe blue is just slow.
My frame rate's horrible,
yeah, no,
so...
mine's running pretty good. So that's definitely why.
Yeah, my frame rate's just completely tanked. What about yours, Ben?
Mine is mediocre,
Mediocre.
but it's playable. But it's definitely no.
Yeah, blue is definitely just dropping off screen.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to find a fix for the frame rate thing, but I don't know what the heck it's gonna be.
Oh, for like changing the speeds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been looking for people with similar problems, but I haven't been able to find-
You've been looking.
You've been
Oh.
looking.
Well, technically, yes.
Uh,
I can't find anyone with like similar issues, so I might have to like solve it myself with something. But
yeah, it's weird, right? Like, but we definitely have to solve it because even if we get most of the frame rate issues sorted, like, there's always going to be somebody with a slower connection, and if
For
they
sure.
can't play just because they have a little bit less latency and they just keep falling
Yeah.
off, like,
It's not fair.
It has to be
Yeah.
fixed, yeah. Like, there's always going to be little speed discrepancies and stuff, which is no good, you know? Has to be
well,
correct.
I mean, I can handle the upscale of it. Like I can max out the frame rate.
Yeah.
I think I have it maxed at 80 frames or something. So it should never go beyond 80 frames. So if everybody's got 80 frames, it's fine. But if somebody's below that, then
Yeah, that's the
they're
issue. It
they're
has
at a
to be not
disadvantage.
tied to frame rate somehow.
Yeah.
But could it be the opposite? Like, am I the host, or who's the host of this game?
We'll never know.
Is there any way of
Right?
telling?
There's no way of telling in game.
Because it's a possibility that it could be the opposite of what you would initially think. So, like, maybe I'm the host, and I'm lagging because of some reason, whatever it is, and maybe that's, you know, increasing Vince's speed because of the, like, interpolation system where it's guessing where Vince is supposed to be. I don't
Yeah.
know. Maybe. You know, like, I don't know if that's possible or not, but maybe.
I might just have to rework the interpolation too.
Well, didn't you change it so that it's, like, not on fixed update? for all that calculations, or is it still?
It's on fixed update. It had to be.
It has to be on fixed update?
Yeah.
Damn. Because I guess that must be why, right?
Yeah. Or it's just like a calculation error in my interpolation. So it's like I'm like not accounting for something, or I don't know.
Because it's weird. Like, obviously the lag is some kind of weird issue. Like, if Vince is the host and he gets the best speed, or I'm the host and I get the worst speed, it's like one or the other, I feel like.
Mm-hmm. What I could try, I mean, this would be dominant. It's not ideal, but I could make the frame rate dynamic, the max frame rate, and it could be like sync to the person with the lowest frame rate. I feel like a lot of games do that with online.
Yeah, they
That could
might.
be pretty rough, though.
That would be really rough. It would solve the problem, but I think it would make it a less enjoyable experience.
You wouldn't want to actually sync their frame rate. Yeah, you'd want to somehow sync their speed
Yeah.
to the player with the lowest frame rate.
No, that's what I want to do. That idea just came up with would be like a
quick fix.
quick fix, but I don't think it's the right fix.
Well, yeah, I mean, imagine you got this beastly computer and you join somebody's game who's got like a laptop, and all of a sudden your game runs like shit. That's no good either.
Yeah.
So. Also, I was actually curious. It doesn't seem to be an issue, so I'm guessing it's not. But the function that checks if players are off screen, is that based on like what if there's something in front of them, like in the foreground?
They'll still be on screen.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. It didn't seem to be a problem, so I figured it must be okay. But
Yeah, it's just based on the 2D position of pivot in relation to the screen.
all right. Damn, no ramps on my screen.
I have them and it still doesn't work, so
Yeah, I guess
I don't
that's
think it makes a difference.
I think it only works if you hit the like a certain one, like the origin ramp or something.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's because it's spawning them dynamically. The values for the ramps that Alex set up are not being set up for the new ramps.
Should obstacles hurt you?
They're supposed to.
I forget. They do,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do 1 HP damage, but that's why it's something in that level, and I'm not sure
Oh.
exactly what it is.
I was just
but-
watching the stream. On my screen, I wasn't even bouncing off those moving parts at the end of the level, but on the stream I was, so
Oh, really?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Oh.
Maybe it was something on Mark's end, or
Yeah, that's why I wanted to let you look over my health system script just to see if there's anything that I'm doing that like needs to be sent over the network or not.
I did make some fixes to the health system, but I don't know if it'll be in this build because it's an older. But there was just some issues with it, like getting the wrong player, but it was only when like a player disconnected.
Oh, I see.
So.
Hopefully I didn't overwrite them or something. I'm not sure.
No. It's already in the project. It's just this is an older phase.
Oh, yeah. Okay. That was a while ago, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Like, were you running into the objects, Vince, but it just wasn't doing anything to you?
Yeah.
Is that what was happening? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to test if it was taking my health away, and I literally just stopped. Like I didn't bounce off it. It didn't take any health points away. Whatever. Like I just stopped dead.
That's weird. It's I don't know what it is in this level. There's something happening about halfway through that's making it so you can't take damage. And it happens before the magma pillars that you're supposed to ramp over because everybody just keeps bouncing off of those. So I'm not sure.
Those should just kill you?
I don't know, unless Alex turned the damage off on them, but, you know, running into shit kills you, so...
Oh, I see, but it takes damage, it doesn't just, like, kill you. Like, it's not a one-hit kill.
Right, no, it's not a one-hit kill.
Okay.
If I run into enough stuff here, I'll die. Or if I fall off the screen enough. Like, I just died. But I'm not sure when exactly it stops working. So I'm just gonna have to keep dying or something at every checkpoint and see when it stops working.
I think I'm already not taking damage. Oh, yeah, I am.
Yeah, I just died twice.
Falling off screen always made me take damage, even if I wasn't, from items and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's interesting.
I love the swamps. They're pretty cool.
The Dugs?
No, sorry.
Dugs.
Nintendo, don't. Please.
Get it right, Ben. God.
I know.
The please don't sue me Nintendo is what it is.
Yeah. Oh. What happened there? Ah! Did you guys see that?
Huh.
Yeah, I came
Okay.
out of nowhere.
Yeah, there still is a bug with the homing projectile. It does sometimes when you shoot it backwards, it goes for a target.
So, I stopped taking damage from items right at the beginning of that ramp. Now
Which
I can't... The ramp, or not the ramp, but the conveyor belt section with the chomper, that's where I stopped being able to run into things. Like now, if I run into things on my screen, it doesn't do anything.
Let me see if it does it for me. Yeah, I'm not taking damage. I'm not taking damage now, too.
I am for sure.
Yeah?
I think.
Yeah, you just died.
I can still take damage falling off the screen, but that seems to be the only way after that midway point through the track. I wonder if it has something to do with that camera bug. But I guess I don't know. I guess that wasn't there, though.
The force volumes or something? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
For some reason, like, I don't know why that would do it.
Yeah, I can't think of anything. Like, if it's connected.
It'd be funny if there's just, like, a volume in the middle of the level we don't know about.
Well, I mean, remember the projectiles were crashing on the global post effect volume or whatever.
Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah.
Maybe it's something to do with that.
Did Mark? Did you fall off the track at all? Like, could that be doing it?
I'm not sure. I can't remember. I'm gonna try it again this time and see if I can pinpoint what's happening. Because it's weird. Like, it's working for the first half of the level and then not for the second half. I don't know why that would happen.
Pretty strange.
Well, I'm gonna take a look at the level and see if there's anything there.
I can definitely run into stuff here.
Yeah.
So it's just before the conveyor belt.
That's what it seemed like to me, yeah.
Before the conveyor belt? Before Dave? Is that what you said?
Yeah, like the first item that I noticed I wasn't taking damage on was one of the rocks on the conveyor belt. I ran into it and didn't take any damage. Yeah, I'm still taking damage here.
Yeah.
Computer's chugging. On.
Does the shockwave deal damage?
No, it doesn't deal any damage, no.
You didn't take damage from that, on my screen anyway.
I think it's because I pulled a bomb out. Oh, no, you're right. I can't take damage now. Or I'm not taking damage when I run into things. Can you still take damage or no?
I don't know.
There is a post-processing volume in that area, but it doesn't start at the conveyor belt. It starts just as you enter the factory.
Yeah, well, that's where I stopped taking damage this time.
Really? Okay.
But I mean,
What?
how would that stop it? You know?
I don't know. But it could be anything, really. It doesn't have a tag. It's untagged, and its layer is on post-processing.
Huh, and why is it like when somebody else runs into things on their screen, it doesn't do anything, but it still does it on my screen? It's so freaking weird.
Yeah, that's definitely a weird one.
That's really bizarre.
Do those pillars do damage?
They do, yeah. And it looked like you were bouncing off them on my screen.
Oh yeah, because I wasn't on mine.
I guess it's a good thing that it's aired out in this level, though, or we would never be able to get past these magma pillars. We just keep dying over and over again.
Yeah, that's true.
But
Yeah, you're right.
Could it be another like animation bug? Like, is it trying to call an animation before it gives you damage or something like that?
It's possible.
Yeah, maybe.
The frustrating thing is there could be anything related.
Yeah.
Like stopping code from running later on. It's
Oh, Poot Nation.
Oh, how's it going, Pood Nation? Characters are looking much sharper unless my eyes doth deceive me. Yeah, well, I don't know when the last time you saw the game was, actually, but we've definitely improved the visibility and stuff by pulling the camera in tighter and just lots of different things we've done to try to make the characters more visible. Beta, pretty much, yeah.
we had the player size increase for the beta too.
Yeah,
right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we had that during the beta, yeah.
Maybe Poot Nation updated their internet. Finally watching it HD.
So I'm gonna send you guys a screenshot of where the post volume overlaps the track.
Yeah, do that.
It's right. So there's like a group of item boxes. Just gonna
Okay.
post it in the Discord. And it's right before the entrance to the factory,
Okay.
right there.
So it's after. So it's the ramps where the rocks are.
Yeah, it's right after that.
You didn't take damage from those shells on mine. Shells. Oh no, projectiles.
I took health damage from them. Definitely.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Not on mine. It's not updating on mine.
Yeah,
but
the
I
health
guess
bars,
that's different.
I don't think the health bars actually work. Oh, wait.
Yeah, the health bars don't work over the network.
I'm not taking damage from stuff already. What the hell is going on? You can still take damage?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Can't respawn though.
Yeah, me neither. Okay, I think... Maybe something just isn't getting reset properly. Have to look it over again. Whoa, 1 gigabyte per second? Up and down? Maybe it has something to do with dying off screen then. That's causing it. That's the only other thing that is possibility, I think. So I have to look through my code to see if there's any reason why that would be happening.
Like if you hit a wall but you're off camera, kind of thing.
Maybe
like
something
just slightly
like that.
behind.
I did change that, so now you don't actually go off camera anymore. It like bounces you off like when you hit the camera wall essentially. But yeah.
Yeah, but not in this build, right?
No, not in this build. I guess that's true. This might be older stuff too, but I'm not 100% sure when.
It might even be the same build we were testing. I'm not sure.
The one we were testing last time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Yeah, we should test on
no!
Monday.
Wait!
with
No,
whatever.
it's not. It's the build I was testing midweek.
Okay. Yeah, we should definitely test on Monday, for sure.
Yeah.
With a working build, hopefully, if we can get the lag shit solved. Player sorting and all that.
Yeah, I can go through and remove the errors and the debugs that we're writing.
Yeah, like the animation debug thing is definitely debugging a lot.
Yeah.
It's the only one I can think of, but just so you know, that would be a good one to get rid of, I think.
I'm gonna do that right now. If I can find it.
So I can definitely take damage right now, and that might let me fall off screen and see what happens.
I see a couple optimizations I could do to this, so that might help.
And
I'll remove the errors for now.
no, I'm still hitting stuff. So I think you're right, Vince. It's some kind of weird thing. Like maybe getting stuck between an obstacle and a wall that's causing it, or some stupid thing like that.
A rock in a hard place.
Yeah. Like, let's see if I can hit this thing. Yep. I died on
Okay,
it,
so the area you guys just entered in stream is where the post volume starts.
Okay.
But you still died.
I'm
Yeah.
still hitting things. It's something else. It's not the post.
Yeah.
Because it happened right
That
at the
wouldn't
beginning
make
of the
sense
track.
at all if it was the post.
Yeah, I know, but it was just an idea.
So whatever's happening has not happened to me yet, but I did just die, so maybe it'll happen. It looks like Vince isn't taking damage on the rocks, though.
I am on my screen, I think. Well,
You are?
I don't know.
Okay.
We'll see.
I'm still able
Yeah,
to...
that wall killed me.
Yeah, okay.
Are those rocks? Do you guys know if those rocks on the conveyor belt that are just moving, are they animations now?
I don't know if those ones are. The ones he added today are animations,
Okay.
but I don't know.
Okay.
In this build, I think it's just physics.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh. We were both able to die on that. Oh, and then
Yep.
we didn't respawn.
Not respawn though.
Damn. Okay, so I think it has something to do with falling off screen. Because I tried very hard to not die off screen this time. It's some combination of something weird. Oh, should I update the game, Ben? It's offering me an update right now. I guess I kind of have to.
What?
It's probably not. It's probably from when Ben switched to the other build and then switched back. It thinks.
Oh, actually, it
It's
just
different.
fixed itself, yeah. It, like, offered me an update until Steam refreshed, and then it was like, oh, no, never
And
mind.
then it was like, no update.